Dave, we have a tire changer's nightmare. This could be very expensive for a tire technician.
Sure can.
You could damage the wheel, TPMS sensor, or even this high-performance tire.
Right.
This is a 205/40/17, and there's a lot more wider tires out there.
Right.
But still, this is a nightmare. What can you use to make this job a little bit easier with this type of tire changer?
A couple things. When it comes to loosening the beads itself, this particular is a roller type. There's several different roller type machines out there, but we use these polymer rollers top and bottom. This is going to protect the wheel, also the tire itself. In addition to that, we're putting equal pressure as it rotates, so it's not like we're putting force all at one place where we would with a shovel type bead breaker itself. Now, once we get start the process here, we'll show the machine where the valve stem is, and when we demount and mount the tire, it'll have the valve stem in the proper position so it does not damage the sensor also. We do have a polymer head here, so that's going to protect the wheel. So far as clear coats and painted wheels, that kind of stuff, that's not an issue either.
So let's clamp this one down.
All right. We'll see the rollers come in. Starts rotation. Okay, the beads are broken. Going to position the mount head. Demount hook come down. Okay. Pull the tire up. Okay. Right. We'll position the valve stem and demount the bottom bead.
So during that whole process, it knew where the TPMS sensor was in relationship to the different tools.
So yes, you have protection that way. Also, with the heads, we're protecting the bead and the wheel too during the process.
Well, let's put this back on.
All right. There you go. That's good. Bring this around. This will give us an extra hand. It'll push down and actually help feed this into the drop center, and this will hold it into the drop center. Very important on low profiles and deeper drop center wheels that we do this. If not, it's going to stress the bead too much and actually rip the bead sometimes. So go ahead and hit the go pedal. And see how it pulls in here, and it's mounted. All right, let's finish this cycle, and now we can inflate.
So it looks like we're done here. Everything's mounted up. Is there one more step we need to do
There is
before we
one more
balance it?
step, yes. What we're going to do now is a bead massage, and what this is going to do is place the rollers automatically and place some downward pressure on this inflated tire. What that'll help do is help the bead of the tire sit tighter against the flange. So if the bead doesn't seat properly, what can happen is it can cause excessive road force variation and also the need for more correction weight. Okay, so if we do this simple process, it takes very little time whatsoever. We're going to get a tire that has less road force typically and less correction weight needed.
So how much road force would you say this would take out of an assembly?
It really depends. I've seen 4, 5, 6, 7 pounds before. Sometimes it doesn't change it, sometimes it changes it considerably. It depends on the tire itself and also the bead seat type, the construction of the bead seat. Okay. Some have larger safety humps than others.
So it looks like we've got a tire and wheel assembly ready for the balancer.
Correct.
Thanks, Dave.